React.Js is front-end JavaScript library and used for web technologies. Browser open Google search box lo NodeJS enter key press. Official link first section lo display nodejs.org download. First link click. Node official web page complete display. Node.js installed the latest version 24.11.1 LTS long time support for Windows. Default detect and display operating system Windows using Docker with npm tool. Mouse scroll down or get pre-built Node.js for Windows running x64 architecture section lo first button. Windows installer.msi Microsoft installer first button click. Download section lo node msi file downloading process start. File size 30.7 MB. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Downloads folder lo node msi file select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to the Node.js setup wizard window lo second button. Next click. End user license agreement window lo left side bottom section lo I accept the terms in the license agreement left side box tick mark set. Third button. Next click. Destination folder install Node.js application related files installation path display. Local disk C program files newly created folder Node.js. Second button. Next click. Custom setup. Select the way you want to features in be installed. Default features display in box. Fourth button. Next click. Tools for native modules section lo chocolatey Node.js related tool present unnecessary. Skip this option. Second button. Next click. Ready to install Node.js. Second button. Install click. Node.js window lo first button. Yes click. Installing Node.js. Status lo copying new files Node.js related. Wait and here few seconds. Completed the Node.js setup wizard window lo finish button click. Installation process completed. Next to desktop mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel lo first one folder click. Keyboard delete key press. Enter the folder name React.Js using for React with JS related set of files installation in folder. Enter key press. Desktop Windows search box lo VS Code enter. First option Visual Studio Code select. Visual Studio Code IDE window maximize. Left side first one menu file menu click. Open folder option select. Open folder window left side desktop option select. Created folder select. Bottom side first button select folder click. First button yes I trust the authors. Blue color button click. Welcome page close. Newly created folder React.Js display in Explorer window. Top section lo terminal menu click. First option new terminal select. Default path display in terminal window. Expand window top side. Browser reopen. Top section lo new tab click. Search box lo enter wheat. First option select. Official link first section display wheat.dev click. Wheat official redirectory web page complete display. The build tool for the web section lo first button get started click. Get started window lo mouse scroll down. Scaffolding your first Wheat project related tools display. Installation default detect and display. Related command Wheat. Right side copy code icon click. Desktop VS Code reopen. Terminal window keyboard shortcut key Control V. Pasted this command. Keyboard enter key press. In case any getting error in terminal window. In this video description section lo pasted error command as the same copy paste here. After re-enter this command. Create -wheat at the rate of 8.2.0 OK to proceed. Keyboard Y key press, enter key press. npx and create-vt related project name. Default any project name, enter. Front end, enter key press. Next, select a framework. Present React framework creating related option select. Keyboard down arrow button click. Third one, React select. Keyboard enter key press. Next, select a variant. Present JavaScript related variant. Keyboard down arrow key press. Fourth one, JavaScript select. Keyboard enter key press. Next option, use roll down -v2 experimental. Default no set, enter key press. Keyboard install with npm and start now. Default first option, yes select. Keyboard yes key press. Keyboard enter key press. Installing dependencies with npm packages. Wait and here process completing. After completed, left side explore window related complete project related files display. Left side explore window created project name front end. Left side expand icon click display project related all files. Terminal window localhost link display. Keyboard shortcut key control key press and link mouse left click. Vite plus React created web page. Snipping React logo. Vite plus React count is 0. Browser minimize. Desktop VS Code reopen. Left side fifth icon extensions click. Install React extension. Search box enter React. Enter key press. Enter key press. Second one extension ES7 plus React. React extension mainly using for and help for script related projects code suggestioner. Second one select right side blue color button install click. First button trust publisher and install blue color button click. Completed extension page close explore click. Explore window fourth one folder src left side arrow click expand internal file app.jax file select app.jsx related script display mouse scroll down delete key press h1 tag enter Chari Tech Info Varangal file menu click save option select browser reopen Chari Tech Info Varangal